An equation is quadratic if it can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, where a is not 0. So in our example, we'll look to see if these two are quadratic. If we distribute the x on the left, we get x squared minus 4x equals 3x plus 2. And then we can move the 3x and the 2 to the left side by subtracting. We'll get x squared minus 7x minus 2 equals 0. And now we can see that it's quadratic and in the standard form that we saw above. In example B, we have a fraction on the left side with variables in the numerator and denominator. That actually makes this equation rational. It is not quadratic. There are 4 methods to solve a quadratic equation. The first one that we'll look at is factoring, where we set one side equal to 0 and then factor. The second method is using the square root method. The third is completing the square, and the fourth is the quadratic formula. Now there are pros and cons to each of these techniques. Some of them are easier than others depending on the type of equation that you're given. Some of them always work, and some of them only work for very specific situations. We'll talk about that in the next video.